Burke.
I'm Varshini.
And this is
Henry Action News.
Next week, December 16th through the 20th, will be School Spirit Week. Monday will be Crazy Shoe Day, or mismatched shoes, funny shoes, or socks with sandals. Tuesday will be Dressed Like a Teacher Day, and Anything But a Backpack Day. Instead of bringing a backpack, bring your items in a funny vessel. Wednesday will be Twin Day. Find a friend or a staff member and be twins for the day. Tuesday will be Festive Attire Day. Wear your favorite looks or a funny sweater, and Friday will be PJ Day and Stuffed Animal Day. Wear your school-appropriate PJs and bring your stuffed animals.
Girl Scout Troop 527 is working on earning their Bronze Award. For their Bronze Award, they want to make people happy, so they're going to hospitals and elderly homes to make a game card. They're asking for you to donate new or gently used card or board games. There will be a box for donations when you first walk into school.
Would you like to recognize this teacher or staff member for all the amazing things that they do? Would you like to let a staff member know how wonderful they are? Henry Elementary has begun taking nominations for teacher and staff Bulldog Brags. Just like our students, staff Bulldog Brags recognize our teachers and staff that demonstrate our core values. If you would like to nominate a teacher or staff member for a Bulldog Brag, please fill out the link down below and in the description. We here at Henry Action News will recognize Bulldog Brags recipients. Today, we recognize Mrs. Howard, Miss Fisher, Mrs. Villa, Mrs. Valerie, Mrs. Leahy, Mrs. Turner, Mrs. Johnson, and Mrs. Jarvis for receiving Bulldog Brags and for being amazing.
We will have a half day on December 20th. That means we will have dismissal at 1:05. This will lead into winter break for students from December 23rd through January 3rd. Students will return on January 6th. Have a wonderful winter break.
Last week, Henry Strings classes held their open houses. Here are some sights and sounds from that event.
Special report on Paw Point. Here's Elias.
Thank you. Let's see how every class is doing with their Paw Points. Miss Kylie's class has 100 Paw Points. Let's tell them. Miss Kylie's class, you hit 100 Paw Points. In kindergarten, the class with the most Paw Points is Miss Kelch's class with 98 Paw Points. In first grade, the class with the most Paw Points is Miss Phyllis' class with 90 Paw Points. In second grade, Miss Fisher's class is in the lead with 95 Paw Points. In third grade, the class with the most Paw Points is Mr. Bunzik with 99. In fifth grade, the class with the most Paw Points is Miss Bird with 85 Paw Points. As you can see, the classes are doing a great job following our core values. Keep it up, Henry.
And now, random facts with Bostic.
Hello, I am Bostic. Did you know the oldest dog lived to be 29.5 years and the oldest cat lived to be 38 years? And also, did you know McDonald's once sold broccoli flavored gum, but it never made it to the menu?
Random facts with Bostic.
That's all for today.
You've been used.